Today, I'll be unboxing and doing a quick review of this Infinite smartwatch by Green Lion. Without wasting your time, let's get right to the unboxing. This smartwatch comes in a beautiful white and green box. As you can see from what is written on the box, it is packed with a lot of features. Inside the box, you will get a smaller pack containing the user manual and the charging cable. The user manual contains all the important information you need to know about the watch. Also inside the box is the USB charging cable for charging the watch. And then this beautiful round face Infinite smartwatch. My first impression of the watch immediately I brought it out of the box is how simple and sturdy this smartwatch is. It has two buttons by the side which functions as the power button and also the home key. Once the watch is turned on, you are expected to select your preferred language and then it proceeds to the next step, which is the barcode. Scan the barcode with your smartphone to download the app for the watch. This watch has an HD touchscreen which offers a crisp and intuitive user interface. The display of this watch is super amazing. Just look how bright and colorful the display is. The 1.3-inch full round display makes it easy to navigate menus, access various functions and view information clearly and easily. It comes with soft silicone straps which makes it perfect for an everyday use, especially for those who work out or sweat a lot. Trying it on my wrist for the first time, and look how simple and beautiful this watch looks on my wrist. I absolutely love it. This watch is packed with a lot of features that combine style, functionality and health monitoring features like multiple sports mode, women's health cycle, heart rate monitoring, weather, music control, activity tracking, sleep monitoring, calls and social notifications, and so much more. With 290 mAh battery capacity, this watch, when powered and connected, can take you throughout the day, and it also offers 25 days standby time. This Infinite smartwatch is waterproof with IP67 rating, so this watch is protected from dust and water immersion for up to 30 minutes at 15 cm to 1 meter depth. Would I recommend this watch? Well, first, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more of my tech videos like this. So, would I recommend this watch? Yes, in fact, this is one of the best cheap round face watches I have come across. That's about it for now. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.